Hi! In front of me is Lenovo 10e Chromebook, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all text collection options. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to Access Advanced. Following that, click on Languages and Input. Then click on Input and Keyboards and tap on your input method, in my case, the first one. As you can see, all typing options are over here. To manage them, click on the switchers next to the chosen ones. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!